It's a beautiful morning. Hey guys, and welcome back. Just woke up today and yeah, just did some of my stretching, and I'll show you. The time is 6:18 and now it's time to shower, get ready for the day, dress up, yeah, do some skincare I guess. Yeah, and then head to the charts. So onwards with my day.
Some of these guys just bad on a desktop, tryna bring on a network. Me and Elizabeth stood in a wedlock, I don't know what them guys upset for. How can I not shit on my doorstep, somebody smoking next door? Zeds were white like Parmesan and the boxes green like pesto. Pasta, family first, the money comes second, the rest don't matter. They think that I came out quick, they don't know about the rest of the chapters. I'm from where the Jack boys active. Don't sleep with your window open, don't ever leave your door on the latches. Bro got two next time that he scores is a hat-trick. I had a big dream from young, some shit that I done I couldn't imagine. Why would I dwell on our past without that? Maybe this wouldn't have happened. Me and the Rose in a new environment, I feel like the only one adapting. Bro still ready to rap, man, shank man, some of the guys still trapping. In the shower with the dogs, the starters, prawns, the main is sea bass. My dog won't ask for help, that hurts me hard, I don't like when I see that. If YJ run off with your pack, I swear you won't get that weed back. I don't even care about the rap, I don't even need no feedback. Remember the rap game didn't accept me, now you see the reception. Remember them girls did try reject me, now they so quick to come to the bed. Remember when my girl left me, I now she go cope with depression. I could get over my exes, same way I could get over recession. Inflation, I'm ready for that when the price is raising. Only thing on my mind was paper, now only thing on my mind is payback. The show that I've done today is more than my parents' life savings. Survivor's guilt, I'm dealing with that, so tell me the price, I'll pay that. I feel like buying a shop at the job I applied for way back. Remember washing my body with fairy liquid, it ran out of Radox. I'm only human, I still feel sad when I'm sat in the back of the Maybach. I thought that my life was hard till I went to the orphanage in Lagos.
Right, so just did my markup for the session coming up, and it's the first day of the week, so let me just show you what I'm looking at. Right, so I've got my Monday session all written up for my GJ and also US 30. Well, I don't want that. And for US 30. Now, if we go to the charts, let me show you. We've got a high and low, and Asia's within this range, and to be fair, I'd only look for buys if we get break and retest of Asia high right here. But anyway, didn't realize how massive this zone is. It's about 150 pips. So yeah, and I don't want to look for sells, as there's a huge weekly zone right below it, and chances that I don't really want to trade through it, so I won't. And if we go on to US 30, these are my zones for US 30 as well. Well, yeah, these are my zones for US 30, and yeah, trade it today and we'll see how it goes. But this is what price is looking like. So I might either get a break and retest of Asia high or nothing at all. So yeah, that is what I'm looking at. And yeah, there is no news. So today should be a clean day. But chances are I don't think I'll see any setups providing today. But oh well. That's just the market, right? Anyway, onwards. Well, now I've done my second test after 3 months, so let's see if any improvements. Right, so this is the first week that I'm going to start doing my New York Stock Exchange, my US 30 testing. And yeah, so I've had to schedule my workout slightly earlier than I usually do. But anyway, as you can see, I've just done my blood test, and right now I'm filming the start of the vlog. It's not quite the start, but hey, you know, essentially, I've just done my blood test, as you can see, finger broken. But yeah, and then tomorrow, mainly doing some content planning, and then trying to release a bunch of shorts into the channel. Hopefully that will do something with the subscriber count. Maybe it goes up, maybe it goes down, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, pretty much edit the vlogs these days. Not much, just work, and then going on holiday next week. So yeah, there probably won't be a video for a couple of weeks afterwards because I'm gone for a while. So, and I'm not gonna really vlog it. I'm not really gonna vlog it. So yeah, and I'm also not trading. So that's yeah, interesting couple of weeks it will be. Well, just did my session analysis, and something I want to show you guys is that, well, the first vlog I published is still going up, and it's probably the most views I had in a singular long format video, and went from 57 subscribers all the way up to 71, and we're still accumulating views. But look at that, look at that. If we look at the dashboard, right, go to, where's my subscribe count? There it is. Bang, subscribe, one went down, and then bang, shot up to 71. Look at that. That's crazy. Yeah, no, so it looks like you guys are after the lifestyle / vlog style. So probably got to make more of those, right? Yeah, I think that's a move. Right, so today I did just enter a trade right here. So here's my entry. My stop loss is a little bit big, but hey, it's 18.2 pips. And my break even is at Asia high. So we'll see, we're going to target around there. And yeah. Well, I'll show you what the trade outcome is. It could be a stop loss, could be a take profit, it could be break even. We never know. So we'll just have to let trade do its thing. Just a quick update, officially stopped out. So yeah, the trader was playing around my entry for a bit, and now it finally told me, yep, you're wrong. But hey, you win some, you lose some, it's part of the game. We move on. Right, so let me just show you in depth what I was looking at yesterday at the market. So I took two trades actually. One was live and one was a forward testing trade that I am, testing US 30 at the minute. So we'll go to the charts. So yesterday, as you can see, this is yesterday. I had my London zone all drawn out. I also had Asia high zone. That was a possibility. And if you go to the 5 minute, as you can see, price did tap into Asia high and then rejected off it. So you could say that's going to be a bearish London structure because it pushes up, rejects, and then drops down. But I was looking for buys. My higher time frames were looking for buys. And as you can see, those are just rejection candles after rejection candles right here at the zone. And we didn't have a close below the zone anyway. So it was nice. And you go into the 15 minute. There were also a rejection candle. Look at that. Bang. Another one. Bang. So yeah, in hindsight, it's still a trade I would have taken anyway. It's just that just turns out to be a loser. And that's fine. And that is fine. Absolutely fine. Here is where my target was, somewhere roughly up here. There was a London zone there. My target was below the wick, so about 18 pips. Got stopped out. And yeah, price did end up melting to the downside. And then if we go to US 30, well, we go to the 1 hour. This is today's zone. If we go to this zone right here, I had a sell from this rejection candle of this, and the stop's 140. And in hindsight, I probably shouldn't have taken this trade because the stop was just way too large. And in the end, I got taken out at break even because price did come down about 100 pips and that's where you go break even and bang. So yeah, that was the trade on US 30. It was a forward testing trade, and in hindsight, it's a trade not to take. However, this trade I would take over and over again in GJ. So I'm glad I risked my money where, behind something that I would definitely think it was worth it. Now, today we've got a low of Asia, and it's a massive range, and London's dropping. As you can see, we had a break and retest, but the problem was with this trade is that the stop was enormous. Stop's going to be like 58 pips, which, it's not too bad if you look at the risk reward ratio. It's 3-1 it's given me so far, but I'm not risking 58 pips, which is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Massive ranges today. Oh my days. And today is riddled with so many news. Let me show you. We've got Bank of Japan that just, came out. So they've hiked interest rates. We got lots of news in US session as well as interest rates in the United States. Crazy. It's a crazy day today to be trading. So it's just best to just not be involved, which I'm not really involved. I'm just here on the charts filming this little recap for you guys. So yeah, that is the market today. Tomorrow is the same. We got Bank of England interest rates, and Friday we got NFP. So yeah, chances are I don't think I'll be taking another trade this week. So we will we move. Next week I am not in the country, so I'm just gonna take a break from trading, from filming, whatever. Just done, finished. Just for 2 weeks, and then after that I'll be back. I'm sure I'll be back on it, doing my thing, right? Trying to improve. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's just make it a goal of having 1 million subscribers, shall we? Peace. Right. So I thought I'd start the week vlog the night before the week starts. So it's Sunday night, and let's have a look at the markets that's coming up. And I've got a tab open, which doesn't look fun, and I'll show you what I mean. So this is a Forex Factory, and this is the news for the pound, US dollars, and the yen. And as you know, I trade Japanese yen and British pound. I trade GJ, really. So, yeah, Monday is looking clear, empty. Tuesday also looking clear and empty. However, Wednesday, we're getting into the monetary policy for Bank of Japan, and also the same thing for the United States. So we've got interest rates decision on Wednesday for Japan and US, and on Thursday, hometown interest rates, as well as Friday also being an NFP day. So yeah, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, completely packed with news, very high impact news all together. You got interest rates, NFP, unemployment claims. Like, what else can you ask for, really? So yeah, looks like I'm not really gonna be trading at the second half of the week, but Monday, Tuesday, potentially a nice day for some trades. So let's go to the charts, shall we? Right, this is what I'm looking at. Let me go down to the daily. Let me get my zones in. One and two. Refine it on the 4 hour. Boom, that's my weekly zones on. And this is what the hourly is looking like. So let's just go and see what the zones are at. High, low,
Looks like we are breaking highs actually. Let's go into the 1 hour. We got low, high, low, high, low again. Forgot to put that there. Bang. Low, high, low, high, low, low. But breaking also low, high. So realistically, it's a nice range on Friday. I'd like to see highs being broken because, as you can see, we've got previous weekly zone. If we break lows, I'm not really looking for a sell straight away until we push over 200 pips past the weekly zone, whereas 150 pips up to break the high. It's much nicer to do that than it is to break the weekly zone and break lows. So, yeah, and also there's a nice little zone here that I could trade off of on Monday or Tuesday, depending on yeah, depending on what day and whenever the opportunity comes. But you know, we got a nice London high and London low of Wednesday 24th and Friday 26th. So we could potentially, hopefully, see highs being broken, retest, and something like that. That could be a potential trade on Monday, Tuesday. I just don't see a trade happening Wednesday, Thursday, Friday because of the high impact news. There'll be low volume during London session and then stupid amount of volume during New York and Asia. So yeah, let's just see if we'll get a trade, shall we? Peace. On to the week.